Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I make my Galaxy Watch last a month without charging. So this is Galaxy Watch 5 and I rarely use it, maybe once or twice a week only. I don't wear it every day. And as you know, the battery of this watch only lasts 2 days max, even when I don't use it. So how do I make it last a month without charging? Well, when I'm not using it, I usually turn the watch to watch only mode. When I turn on this mode, it literally only displays the time only. And you need to press the home button to check the time. Nothing else is accessible or running when I turn on this mode. And when I want to wear my watch, I just hold the home button to restart the watch, so I don't have to charge it every time I want to wear it. To use this mode, go to settings, battery, then scroll to the bottom until you see watch only. Press on it, and the next screen will show you how long the battery life lasts, and also explain that every feature will be turned off, and you need to press the home button to see the time. Also, to turn off the mode, you can either hold the home button or charge your watch. So this is how watch only mode looks like. It's pretty simple, right? And that was how I make my Galaxy Watch last a month without charging. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope you enjoy and learn something new from this video. Hit the like button, like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video.